G'day guys, Sam from Legendex here again. Today we've got the new Legendex Navara in for its first bit of kit. So today we're going to install the catch can and fuel manager bundle. Going to sit nicely in the engine bay, nice and compact. The guys from Direction Plus put together a really good kit. So you get all your bits and pieces right down to the last nut and bolt. So I won't need anything there. We're going to do that job now and see how easy it is. Alright, so that was nice and easy. Between 30 and 40 minutes, we're all fitted up. So the kit went on nice and easily, used all the bits and pieces, so nothing left over. Now the Navara is all protected for whatever trip we throw at it. So we've got the 30 Micron filter, pre-filter. So that's going to catch any water with the water separated down the bottom. That'll let us know if we've got some bad fuel. And then we've got the Provent catch can. It's the NP300, so that's the larger catch can too. So that will last longer. Nice and easy to service that one as well. Got this paper filter in there every 40,000 Ks. And every 5,000 there's a drain just under the bottom. So that's going to stop all those nasties getting into our EGR and restricting our airflow. So guys, if you're going to tackle that yourself, nice and simple job to do at home, but if not, we'll look after you.